Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create stunning emails with Flodesk. We have the link to Flodesk in the description below so you can get a head start after this video. So of course we want to assume you already are in your Flodesk account, and this would be what you'll be looking at, your dashboard. At the top you have emails, forms, workflows, checkout, audience, and analytics. We're interested in emails, right? So we're going to stay right here and we're going to go to the right side where we have new email with a plus sign. We're going to click on it and it takes you to this page where you can use some templates. Of course, if you want to start from scratch, you can go ahead and do this, especially if you have your brand kit, right? So you might want to start from scratch and make everything from there. However, there are other options if you're a beginner or you're trying to be inspired by the options, right? So we're going to go ahead and make a pick from the list of options right here. There are some categories here such as sharing news, welcome, make money, say thanks, inspire, purchase, follow up, and plain text. So let's say you're trying to boost sales with an email option and you'd like to send a stunning email to your client or to your prospective client and make things happen. We're going to go with this first option right here under the make money category, and we're going to choose view details, right? So this is also called a simple countdown timer, which is a great option if you want to have a powerful CTA along with your mail. But before you make your pick, it is usually best to also look at how it's going to be on the mobile version. We just clicked on the mobile version and this is how it looks like. Very responsive. Let's go and customize it. Now, this is the template that we're working with. You have areas where you can put your logo, the pictures of something you'd like your customers to see and get them attracted to it. And you could also see a 30% discount for the entire store. There is also the timer, as it says, shop now or regret it later. And then you can see here, access the sale. So we're going to be making some edits to this. The first thing we want to do, of course, is to add the logo, add some pictures right here, and see what more we could do with it. We're going to go ahead and click on add logo. And here it says we're missing your logo. So if you already have your brand logo on Flodesk, this will not be a problem, but we don't have it right here. And if you don't have it, you will also be finding yourself right here. So let's click manage logo. And here we have the option to click or drag to upload, right? So we're going to drag to upload the picture of our logo. And let's say this is our logo, or of course, if you want to use your company website, you could go ahead and put the URL right here. But we have this, so we're going to say save. And that's the logo of our brand. If you want to increase the width, well, we could adjust it back to be small again. Now we have a place to edit the image. We're going to click on it. And then we're going to upload an image. You can see the source, add image from computer, Unsplash, Giphy, or Canva. But we have the option to upload an image, so we're going to click on it. So after we've seen the pictures we'd like to use, we can select them, press open. Great, so we have this nice photo right here of our product, and we're going to do the same for the next one. Of course, you want to take note of the orientation of this, so everything fits in perfectly, as Flodesk does not have a resizing option from our usage. So go ahead and click on the second space, click on upload image, same process, press open and wait for it to load. Great, everything's looking nice. We have our logo, the products we'd like to promote, and the offer. If you click on this, you can see some options right here to customize the text if you want to. Here you have font, then layout, then you have the link, and then the block color. The block color is currently as orange. You could leave it as that, or of course you could change it to your preference and then change the font. This is totally up to you. And then when we come over to the other part of the CTA, you have shop now or regret it later. You can leave that or put in what you want. Simply select the message and write something else if you want it, but we're going to leave it at shop now or regret it later. Now you can see the countdown timer. And this creates a sense of urgency in whomever is looking at this. So we're going to select this area, and then on the right side, you can see style, timer, and block. When we click on timer, we're going to say 2 days and 23 hours, right? We can leave the minutes and seconds. And you can see it's projected our edit right here on the email letter. And then when you click on access the sale, you could also see that you can change this. We could change this to get this deal. And it's looking nice. We've made an edit of this email template to look like our own. Looking nice to your satisfaction. Once again, you could switch over to the mobile preview, and this is how it's going to look like. Looking awesome. Go back to your editing. And then at the top right corner, you can click on next. And if you have this notification, not to worry, it's just your address because they are required by law to include your current address in the footer of all promotional email. So this is fine. So we're going to click on continue and fill this info and then click on save. So after everything is done, we're going to click on save. Your address has been updated. Great. So after our address has been saved, we need to remember something else. Now, before we actually click on next, this time we actually have our social media block, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. If you click on it, you're going to come over to the links and click on manage social links. Now, this is important because you have these icons and you need to make sure that they are functional and not just dummy links. So once you click on it, you're going to come over to links and click on manage social links. Then for Facebook, you could put in your Facebook address and repeat the process for all of them. So click on manage socials, you have your X, you have your Pinterest, and you have Instagram. So let's go ahead and do that. Great. So after adding our social media links, you can see that they have now been highlighted to blue for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and X. We're going to close this, and the 4 of them have been satisfied. We can click on next. On this page, this is where you get to choose your audience. You're going to put in the name, and you have your email address, which by default will be there. Now, of course, if you'd like to send this from a different email address, you can see here if you'd like to send from a different email address, manage senders here. So this is where you need to go if you want to change the default email that Flodesk is using to maybe your brand email. Now, you're also going to put who this mail is coming from. So we have Chris, and we're going to click on continue. We're being asked to write our subject line. Of course, we have our subject line as 30% off, store-wide, don't miss out, and the preview text, shop now and save big before the sale ends. If you want to customize this is pretty much up to you. Since that is fine, we're going to click on continue. Now that we have our email ready, what's left is to actually send it to someone, right? So you have choose your recipients, you could add segments, add individuals, or upload a CSV. So we decided to choose individuals and we just added 1 email address. And of course you could add more and then press on enter and this does the trick. Click on save. So we have 1 recipient chosen. Now, of course, as we mentioned before, if you have a CSV, maybe from a spreadsheet, you can simply add it here and it will send to your bulk client list. So this is done. We're going to click and continue. And lastly, you get to choose if you want to send it now or send it later. And of course, whenever you choose, you will eventually have this mail sent to your broadcast list. Don't forget we have the link to Flodesk in the description below so you can get a head start after this video. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.